this. What up, you guys? How are you all doing today? I hope you guys are doing fantastic overall. If you guys saw the previous video that I made where I was talking about the M54 BMW tuning basics and stuff like that, be sure to check out the article that I have linked in the description down below. I wrote it myself and it's actually posted on my website. It's a new blog post. And if you guys haven't already checked out my website, be sure to check it out. Link will be in description down below. Really good stuff, and I have all the information that I talk about in the video kind of written in a more brief and cohesive format. So as you guys can see, my car is filthy. Just dirt and grime. The wheels are completely caked in brake dust, water spots everywhere. Yesterday I went on an insane cruise with this car with just my friend Gabe. He goes by Blues Clues M3. You guys should follow him on Instagram because he has a dope ass F80 M3 and it's super fast. We hit some insane roads and we were flying, and yeah, my car is in major need of at least a rinse down, so I'm definitely going to do that today. So check this out. Aside from the fact that the car is filthy, look what happened to my BMW badge. Last week when I went to go wash my car, I took like the power hose, and when I was spraying the rear of the car, as soon as it hit the badge, this plastic film that basically gives the badge its look just basically peeled right off and completely disintegrated. So really poor quality. I don't know why that would happen, but I need a new badge now because my car looks ghetto as hell. Now I would be washing my car, you guys, but honestly we've had a ton of rain this past week and it's not expected to stop anytime soon. So I think just a good solid rinse down should take care of most of the dirt and stuff, because I can't stand seeing my car that dirty. It just really kind of gets to my OCD. And speaking of brake dust, we're gonna talk about why I need new brakes and why you guys probably need new brakes as well. I got a low washer fluid level, so I'm gonna use this, refill it in the car just so I don't get the warning light on there. Alright guys, so yesterday when we were on that cruise, it had just rained the previous day, so the roads were really slick and wet. There was a lot of mud, dirt, grime, it was kind of misting, so yeah, car got pretty dirty. But the big thing that I wanted to mention, you guys, is, so originally, if you guys have been keeping up with my previous videos, I was actually going to purchase an upgraded intercooler for my car, but I realized that I'm going to hold off onto the intercooler actually in favor of just better brakes, because yesterday I really realized that I need new brakes. If you guys watched the video where I tuned my car to stage 2, I talk about how I needed new brakes in that video, but I kind of said it in a more joking manner. But yesterday was a serious reminder as to why you should always have sufficient brakes on your car. Right now, in my opinion, I think my brake pads are shot, my rotors are pretty worn down. I'm pretty sure this car is like on the original OEM brakes still. The pads were probably changed out at least once, but probably still the same rotors and everything. I need to do the brake fluid as well. So as I was driving, we were up in this area called Duluth, California, and Duluth is a really nice area. It's very scenic, it's beautiful, and they have some amazing back roads, but they are really technical back roads. Like, there's tons of switchbacks, very narrow lanes. You have to be like in 100% focus if you want to go on a good drive there, because if you literally put your guard down like once, you're going to be flying off the road. That's how advanced it is. Like, it's definitely one of those, like, you know, difficulty level is really up there on those courses. And what happened to me is that I was driving, I was trying to keep up with my buddy Gabe in his M3, and right as we were driving, there was a blind turn, and it was a very sharp turn, and we were going pretty fast, not gonna lie, and I did not expect the turn to come, and I was focused and everything, but I instinctively just slammed on my brakes because I knew I wasn't going to make the turn, and my brakes locked up. The car skidded into the other lane, and I stopped literally in the middle of the road because I could not clear the turn. The car understeered completely, and I was literally like this close to flying off the edge of the road. Fortunately, it wasn't one of those things where like it would have been a very serious accident. It probably would have been very minor had things gone worse. But regardless, the situation was pretty scary, and I just thought to myself, I'm being an idiot right now. Why am I even trying to go for more power on this car when I can't even slow this car down properly? And it's really stupid. So honestly guys, like, brakes are coming soon. I know we all want more power mods, intercooler, E85, you know, flex fuel, tunes, and inlets and all that stuff. Power is no good without stopping power. If you cannot slow down your car, then you're gonna kill yourself, you know? And that's the thing that I was realizing yesterday, was like, that is a big wake-up call that, you know, you need to play it safe, you guys. You need to make sure that every aspect of your car is prepared for increased power. The suspension, the brakes, the cooling, all that. It's not just throwing more power and more power on a completely stock car, because that's really asking for a disaster, to be honest. Anyway, let's go spray down this damn car, because this thing is filthy. That about does it for today's video. Got the car cleaned up, but yes, brakes are coming. Upgraded brakes. They're going to be cross-drilled and slotted rotors with ceramic pads. Probably going to try to do the fluid as well at the same time, but we'll see. Like I said, if you need brakes, get on it, get your brakes, because it's really, really important to have stopping power, especially in a fast car like this. Like I said with yesterday, how I went on that little cruise with my buddy and stuff, it was a ton of fun, and I love going on drives, especially through canyons and just like on big cruises and stuff. Would you guys like to see those on camera? Would you guys like me to vlog those experiences? Because I could literally strap GoPros to the car, to the exhaust. I could get someone on board to kind of film as we're driving, catch a bunch of other cool cars. I think it would be a lot of fun, and I would love to do those kind of videos, but I'm not gonna do it if you guys don't want to see it. So leave some comments down below and just let me know. And with all that being said, take it easy, guys.